东亚的静坐传统暨佛教的禅坐传统联合国际学术研讨会第1天第2场韩国丹田静坐的传统，宋代天台所见安心与静坐。The Korean approach to Yunna IEEM ILOLIVIJ 第2阳非 UIIAA Saker Under the Korean approach to Cinnabar Field meditation or Cinnabar Field meditation is often associated with Daoism in China, in northern Korea, especially during the Joseon dynasty, 1392-1910. It was associated with Confucianism and with medicine. It is only with its revival and mode Moria that it has severed its ties with Confucianism, though it is still promoted as a technique for both self-cultivation and longevity enhancing. In my paper, I will discuss Joseon dynasty advocates of Cinnabar field mediation such as the famous Neo-Confucian philosopher T.G. Wang, 1501.
Korea Y1H how it is discussed and practiced by contemporary groups